Alright guys, here's your boss motor, pump and reservoir, and all your hydraulic control module, I guess you'd call it. What a lot of guys will do is they will disconnect the 4 bolts. This goes, towards the truck. This bolt and this bolt here. And then on the underneath, you got this one and this one. And while it's still in the actual plow itself, what they'll do is they'll disconnect them 4 bolts and they'll just turn the pump out a little bit so you can get at the 4 bolts here. 2 bolts here, 2 bolts here, 4 in total. Slide this off and your screens are inside here. I can take you over to the truck and show you real quick. Here are the mounting bolts for the actual, assembly. One here, 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 and here. I had this all apart, and like I said, a lot of guys, they'll just turn it sideways and get at the 4 bolts. It took me an extra 5 minutes to pull these 2 hydraulic hoses off. Your power and your grounds. It took me 5 minutes. So it's easier to get at when it's on your bench. Now what I'm going to go ahead and do is pull the 4 bolts off, these 2 and the 2 down under, slide this off, and I'll show you what it looks like inside. Another thing, I didn't get a chance to look, but I'm pretty sure there's going to be a gasket between the reservoir tank and this, your hydraulic control module thing. Stay tuned. We shall see.